Today I have the i7 9 series, yes, because it's one of those computers that is second to the i9. Today we're gonna test this i7 9 gen with this beautiful 500 series GPU. Why is this important to talk about it? Is because yeah, let me show you why I'm talking about. Why I'm saying this is a very special video card is that it's got 2 gig of VRAM. That's it. It's kind of unique, you know, a 560 Ti, 2 gig of VRAM. It's kind of cool, yeah. So I have the whole series, 500 series, and all of them they are 1.2 gig. I'm gonna see what we played last time, and we'll try to see which one is the best, you know. But you have to understand that this is a very nice video card because of the 2 gig of VRAM. It allows you to play some games better. You know, I want to put the fan as max as possible because it's getting hot, you know. Damn. Isn't this beautiful? I mean, the GPU is not that bad, you know. It's got 823 megahertz on the core, and the VRAM is not fully loaded. That's what I love about this GPU, because there's a lot of games that 2 gig of VRAM is quite enough, you know, like this one, Fortnite, you know. So if you put it on performance mode, it will be quite satisfying, you know. Look at the frequency, like 2000 mega effective frequency, you know, on the memory. It's good, it's enough, it's doing the job. The core is there, but with 84 or 85 degrees on the GPU, you know, and that's kind of toasty, and I don't like it. For a 500 series, this is not a good temperature. Oh my god, the freaking thing is so fluent, so perfect, you know. That 2 gig of VRAM, it's clearly doing the job perfectly. You need to and by the way, we're in DirectX 11. That needs to count a lot, you know. Hence why we have the VRAM fully loaded. Oh, yeah, look at this. 87 degrees, yeah. Kind of weird to see those temperatures. You can only spin the lucky wheel once per day. Oh my god, I have to come back in the game later. So let's play Rocket League. We have in the settings, video 1080p, performance mode off. Yeah. Oh yeah! Look at this. Aspiring influencer, yes. Holy! 2 in a row. What the heck is going on, man? Oh! In like Flynn, yeah. We are in War Thunder. I put the reset, the medium quality, and we're gonna see how he's running, you know. I'm actually very satisfied with this because it's not filling up that 1.9 gig of VRAM, you know. So yes, oh yeah. Incredible. Very incredible how this GPU is performing, seriously. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, let's restart the tank because apparently we're gonna die. Oh no, you don't wanna kill me. Alright, we're good. At this stage the game didn't manage to fully load my VRAM. That's important. The core is loaded, it doesn't matter. 85 degrees on the core, that's kinda horrible. Alright, so let's see how the GPU is running on graphics. 1080p, 80% render scale, sync every frame, of course not. Advanced, low detail, texture finish low. I'm gonna put the whole GPU on low performance. Tripping and walking into the wall. Can't find a fucking kill here because everybody's on the wall. Oh yeah. No. Oh yeah. No. I could have done triple kill. But I couldn't land it. Let's go. Easy peasy. No, how did you manage to see me? Actually, I fucking forgot that there is a map. You see how we're out of window full screen, FXAA. I don't know what the resolution is this. I think it's low. 75%. Looks good with FX and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Barely managed to have 1 gig of VRAM only with this game. Actually, this game actually works on GPUs with 1 gig of VRAM. This one has 2 gig, so it might be very good for this to actually fill it up with more details so we can benefit from this video card. Oh yeah. You do not understand how I'm in front. Oh boy, you do not understand. You went into my front. No, mă tată prost. Can't freaking do 1 kill. Oh my god. That was my kill. My kill. Oh, double kill, headshot. Triple kill. Oh yeah, boy. Dude, I managed to take a lot of his HP and he didn't manage to die. Oh yes. Battlefield 1 will never stop to amaze me how good it is. Quick match. Some support. Oh la. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy, look at me. The GPU is on the spot, man. I don't even know what's going on here. Low details, resolution, 100% render scale. That's so much performance, seriously. So we got 100% maximum. Look at it. This is what the game said. Absolute chaos. Look. 11:31, 36. Butcher.
Gather.
We stand strong. Enemy killing spree.
Bring it on!
This perfect. All right, 34 FPS in the sky. The moment I reach down the floor, it will be more. So I'm guessing it's playable. No, merci. Okay.
Round 1. Countdown.
Not all of us are in the ring. Check them out.
Attention. First blood.
Getting shot at. Opening fire. Reloading. This time. We got me. I'm down. Contact.
Oh!
I downed a hostile.
If you get the 560 Ti, you need at least 2 gig of VRAM in order. You seen how much VRAM it was using? Then you put it on the lowest resolution, then you get some decent FPS. Have a good night, have a good morning, have a good evening, have a good afternoon. Just have it good, and I will see you very soon.